Happy Monday guys, and in today's video I'm gonna show you guys my most used products of 2024, starting strong with the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Water Cream. If you guys watch my Instagrams, you know that I featured this product every single video just because it's so good. It's just the perfect moisturizer for oily skin, and also it can be used as a primer as well, so I absolutely love this. For my brows, I've been using the Sephora Fluff and Fix Brow Wax. This is a game changer. Seriously, it doesn't move. Your brows stay intact all day long, and it's just perfect. It's really easy to use, and yeah, just very easy. It doesn't leave any white cast. I just clean my brows with the Huda Beauty concealer. This is one of my favorite concealers as well. This is in the shade Crumble, I believe, and it's just a perfect shade. Good coverage and lasts long, so I'm just gonna blend it out now with this fluffy brush. Makeup Revolution really did something with this new foundation. It's affordable, it has a medium to full coverage, and look how it just blends on my skin. Not to mention the shade match, it's insane, so beautiful. I absolutely love, even though it's a luminous foundation and I have oily skin, that just works so good for my skin. I don't know what they put in this, but amazing. I love this foundation. I've tried many bronzers this year, but the only bronzer that I always go back to is the NARS Laguna bronzing cream. Look how that blends onto my skin. It feels like butter. It doesn't look like, oh, it's too thick. No, it's just the perfect amount. Another favorite is the H&B Cosmetics concealer. This concealer is full coverage. It doesn't crease, and it's just the perfect shade for highlighting. I love this concealer when it comes to highlight. It looks so good. I do like to mix it a little bit on my chin and on my forehead, just because I don't like it to be too bright on my forehead and my chin, but the rest of my face, like my under eyes, I love it. As you guys can see, it's so easy to blend, and it's even better if you are blending with a powder puff. The one I'm using is from True Cosmetics. It's the best one so far. Pat McGrath Cream Blush. I love this blush. It blends so well on the skin. As you guys can see, it has a beautiful shade. Now for powders, I use two powders. Pressed powder first, and as you guys can see, mine is almost finished. So whatever I have left, I just put under my eyes, especially on my T-zone area where I get more oily. And then I apply my setting powder on top of that, which I do a little bit of baking, not so much, but just a little bit. And yeah, that's how I like to apply my powders. I feel like both of them together just work so much better for my skin. For bronzing powders, again, I've used so many, but the one I always go back is the Juvia's Place. I don't know what this powder has, but this powder is amazing, and it's the only one that I always use. Moving on to blush, Armani Beauty Luminous Silk Blush. It's such a beautiful shade just on top of that Pat McGrath blush, and I like to fill in my brows a little bit with this Valentino Brow Trio in the shade Granite, and I just fill in the gaps on my brows, and that's it really. I've been using this for a year now, and I really like it, and it hasn't finished yet, so I'm happy with this. Then my Charlotte Tilbury setting spray to set everything in place. Then mascara. I absolutely love this Maybelline mascara. I gone through 2 of those already, and yeah, I just like to apply them before I apply my lashes. And these are their wispy lashes. I really like them. They're really nice. Doesn't look too big, very natural. Then I just applied a little bit more of setting powder on top of my makeup, just because oily girls, if you know the drill, you have to apply setting powder. And yeah, not everybody does, but this is what I like to do and works for me. and then I just do a little bit of my lower lashes and lips. For my lips, I've been loving the H&B Cosmetics lip liner. I believe is in the shade, it's in the number 07, and McGrath lipstick. This one is in the shade Velvet Rose, I believe. I don't know if I pronounce it right, but it has a beautiful shade. And on top of that, Fenty Beauty Heat lip gloss. That gloss is just yummy. It feels really nice. And to finish it off, another setting spray. This is a dewy from Elfie, and yeah, that's it. That's my skin done, and let me know what you guys think. I'll see you on my next one.